Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yes, I am wearing the same clothes because this video is being recorded the same day that I'm recording the Wheelhouse Aid video. Now, this video is going to be to basically talk to you guys about the B15 and why, in my opinion, it's a good car. And then I'll be making another video on a different day, maybe the same day today, about what sucks about these B15s. Now, let's get right into it. Alright, so right off the bat, this is a 2005 Nissan Sentra SCR Spec-V. Now, there is a few models of the Sentra from I think it's from 2002 and 03. They made the SCR, and then that's when the 04s came out with the Spec-V version. Now, the Spec-V version is basically the version that's a bit more bumped up. So this one is, like I said, the Spec-V, and this one it comes with a option of a 6-speed manual transmission. Now, 6-speed transmission in a 4-banger car, and this car, I believe it weighs close to 3,000 pounds. So it's a quite light car, and it has very cool modifications that you can do to them back in the day. Not a lot of places where you can get modifying like aftermarket parts for these cars. Right now, this car is NA besides some small modifications. I'm not gonna say that my cold air intake is a modification because it's not. But it is sitting on Nismo rims. These are, so when these cars came out, there was a package that you could pick the Nismo rims. So I got those, and I have them wrapped around with Federal 595s. What else about the car that I like so far? The fact that it came with Brembos in the front. These cars were equipped with 4-piston Brembo brakes in the front. And in the rear, they were just a slight bigger than the regular ones. This car, from factory, when it came out, it was 175 horsepower. I forgot the torque. I'll put it somewhere on the screen around here. But basically, that horsepower, it was transferred onto the transmission, and from the transmission, it has a, Jesus, I forgot the name of it. A I'll put it right here. I can't pronounce it right now. I don't know why. But basically, it allows you to not do a single burnout, and it allows you to do a 2-wheel burnout. And it just makes the car stable. So what else do I like about this car? The seats are comfortable. I wouldn't say they're the worst. I mean, I've been in a 6-hour road trip on this car, and in those seats, nothing to complain about. The seating position, the steering wheel is nice. It has very good gripping and points where you can hold on to the steering wheel. The look of the car, it's a 4-door, so you can't really expect much. They call it the grocery getter, most people, because it's a grocery getter apparently. Now let's take a walk around the car. Show you guys what I was talking about. Like I said, it came with 4-piston Brembos in the front. Those are going to be eliminated from this car now. 6-speed transmission, very nice. This car used to be red. Previous owner painted it. Oh, got some stuff on the seats. Very good seating position, in my opinion. It's very straightforward. You got your stereo right here, your climate control down here. You got a little cubby in the top, cubby in up here as well for your sunglasses. I am doing a whole interior transformation, so I'm going from this tan to all black, so this is going to be changed as well. Very good sound system out of the factory. It does come with tweeters on the pillars on each side, but obviously I upgraded, so now it doesn't have the original door panel ones, it has upgraded ones. Now, what else I like about my car? It's unique. Not a lot of people in Chicago have SCR Spec-Vs, and if they do have them, they're pretty clapped out. Not hating, but they are pretty clapped out. They're all rusted, they're all beat up, and this is actually my third Sentra, so I have gone through 2 of them already. One was in an accident, another one, all this from the strut tower got rust, and it started to corrode all around, and it just broke to the point where it wasn't fixable. Only a car that you want if you are in the market to buying if you're not a front wheel drive type of person, then this car is not for you. But if you are a type of person that likes, it was cheap, $2,000. Reliable, I wouldn't say that reliable. And power wise, like I said, there's not a lot of aftermarket shops that you can get parts for these cars, so it's definitely very limited. So if you guys are in the market to buy yourself a B15, definitely recommend it. If you guys are looking for aftermarket parts as well for your B15, go hit it up 2J Racing with Joe. He will definitely take care of you. I know he's taking care of me. I'm just waiting on some on my brakes from the front to come in, and we'll show you guys exactly what brake kit I got. So now that's pretty much it. All I like about my car, it's not a gas saver either. I'd be spending like 40-50 bucks on gas, especially right now with this whole gas price going up in Chicago as well. At least we're not losing gas, but people are freaking out about it too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not a lot to talk about this car besides the fact that it's pretty quick. So far, the top speed I've hit was 120 or close to the 130s. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you guys do want to see more B15 content, go hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I want to hear you guys. I want to see what's up. Talk to me, you know, leave a comment or something. And go follow me on Instagram so you can stay up to date on behind the scenes on what's going on with this car. And I'll see you guys in the next one.